How to delete friends in 8-ball pool. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you're playing 8-ball pool and want to remove someone from your friend list, firstly open up the 8-ball pool on your device, and once you're inside, go ahead and tap on the friends icon at the bottom left corner, and once you're inside the friends tab, select the friend you want to remove. Tap on the cross icon at the top right of your friend's profile picture and click on yes in the pop-up to remove them from your friend list. Soon after you do that, you will be able to delete your friends in 8-ball pool. So that is how it's done. You can add them again later if you change your mind. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.